Last year, tried to pick a fight with Shiver. Now she's all over the place.
Climbing on each other's heads all the time.
You taking a video?
Yeah, a video of all this stupid marker on my hands.
Well, they're squirmy. It's not your fault. She's holding her tail. You see that, right?
Yeah. Oh, she's grooming her. I love babies.